In this video, we will be making a face cover or surgeon's mask to prevent the spread and exposure to COVID-19. In this demonstration, we are using 4-ply paper towels, staples and a staple gun, as well as 2 rubber bands. No other materials will be used. Here we are tracing a mask, however, the shape shares that of an ulu knife, which you may use as a point of reference. Ulu is spelled ULU. Use the shape we have drawn onto the paper as a point of reference. Now we are cutting the shape out of the 4-ply paper towel. The next step would be to staple the longer edge of the shape. Make sure you place the staples close together and about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. If an error is made, carefully pull out the staple and restaple. Invert the mask at the seam of the staples as shown in the video. Ensure that the staples hold, and if they do not, simply restaple and try again. We are trying to invert the mask once again. Now that it has been successful, we are ready to move on to the rubber bands. Fasten the rubber bands with a staple, while leaving a little bit of slack on the shorter end. Loop the slack over the initial staple and staple again. This creates a sort of D-ring effect, creating a stronger bond. Repeat this on the other end of the rubber band, fastening it to the neighboring corner of the mask. Make sure you do the double loop, as a single staple is almost guaranteed to tear the rubber band on either the first use or repeated uses. We are now going to repeat what we have done for the first rubber band, this time on the opposite side of the mask. Now that you have both rubber bands fastened to your new mask, put it on and test it. If a rubber band snaps, try again. This is what the finished product should look like. The application of this mask does not guarantee the absolute protection of an individual. It is still critical that you employ proper hand washing, sanitation, and social distancing measures. Stay healthy and stay sane.